What up, everybody? How y'all doing today? Today we got a walkthrough of a possible investment property, and I want y'all to go check it out with me. This property is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath property, and it's around 984 square feet of living area. So let's go ahead and check this property out to see if we can make some money and see if we can make a deal today. Y'all ready to tap in with me? Y'all ready to check it out? Well, go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. As we enter into the house, we come into this front room here with wood floors and an issue over there we're gonna have to fix. And then we come into the living room / bedroom because of this closet right here with this outdated paneling. We're gonna have to get some work done on that. And then to your left, we enter into another bedroom that has carpet already laid out. And then we have this closet here with the outdated paneling as well, and a half bath with outdated paneling. A lot of outdated paneling that gotta go. And then we go back out to the living room / bedroom and come into the kitchen with the stove and the sink to your right up there. And as we pan up, we're gonna see wooden cabinets already lined up in here. We're gonna have to redo some things in here to get this kitchen fixed up. Now to the full bath, we're gonna have to redo some things in here as well as prep for paint. We're gonna have to fix and clean up a lot up in that bathroom. And then we go to the back room. They put some new flooring down. They still have some materials in here. They prepped this room for paint. And now we've come into the utility room where the hot water heater is, and you can put your washer and dryer in here. And this door leads to the backyard, and I'm gonna come back and give y'all some of my final thoughts. Okay, y'all. Now that y'all have had a chance to take a look at the house with me, what are some of your thoughts concerning the property? Because I'm getting ready to tell you mine. While I'm telling you mine, give me some of your thoughts down in the comment section. Like, do you think this is a good investment property? Do you think it's too much work? I like to know what you're thinking about it, because let me tell you, when I walked in there, I saw nothing but opportunity. You hear me? I saw nothing but opportunity, because a lot of those things that needs to be fixed can be fixed, and I can get somebody in there and it can become income producing for me. So let me go ahead and run the numbers for you real quick on that house. That house is currently worth around $65,000. And so because it's around $65,000 worth, I am thinking about making an offer in the $20,000 range, simply because it's going to take some work and I'm going to have to put in to that house. I'm going to have to paint, I'm going to have to fix up stuff. Y'all seen it. I'm going to have to do some work in the kitchen, do some work in the bathroom, do some work in that utility room. So it's going to take some work. However, if I buy it at a low enough price, I will create equity for myself. And then once I put somebody in there, it will become income producing. So as y'all know, when I'm doing offers like this, because it doesn't have anything owed on it, I have to take into account my ability to make money on the deal and the cost and repairs and all of those kinds of things. So I'm thinking within the $20,000 range. What range are you thinking in right now? Let me know down in the comment section. All right. And now I'm going to go talk with the owner, because I think it's a real good chance he's real interested in selling. He's tired of dealing with the property. He's tired of dealing with tenants. And that's an optimal time for me to come in and buy, because I see the opportunity, whereas somebody else is ready to move on and do something else. And so I'm going to follow up with you guys in another video and let you know what the outcome was. But I just want y'all, I just wanted y'all to see the inside of another property as we get these leads and prospects and things like that, because I don't always show y'all these particular leads. But today I wanted to show y'all the inside of another property so that y'all can see my mindset a little bit about how I can make money. And while some of y'all are probably asking, you're like, man, that's too much stuff to go on. How can you actually make money on that, BJ? Well, if the house is worth $65,000 and I get it in the $20,000 range, then that automatically puts $45,000 of equity in my pocket. Then if I put in $10,000 to $15,000, then that would take down the equity, but that will have my total investment of around $35,000. And then if I rent that property out, then that will start producing monthly income for me, and the interest return, the ROI on it, will be pretty good. All right, so that's how you can make money with these particular deals. Or I can do it as a rent deal, I can do it as a owner finance deal, I can actually sell it. You see what I'm saying? And then make roughly $20,000 in the deal. If I do it right, if I get it in the range and I work my numbers the way they need to be worked. And so making $20,000 in 30 days sounds pretty good if you work it right. Even if you do it in 60 days, it sounds pretty good, right? So that's how you can make money, because there's several options if you buy the property correctly. I've talked about that in previous videos. If you buy properly, you'll make money on the back end. You make money on the buy, not when you sell. And that is why I'm going to be in that range to purchase this property. And after talking to the owner, I'm pretty sure that we'll get it. And so when we get it, I'll follow up with y'all in another video and let y'all know, and we'll do another walkthrough of everything that we're going to do with the property and what everything's going to look like and how we're going to make money and all of that whole nine. All right. If you haven't signed up for my classes, go ahead and sign up for my classes, man. What y'all waiting on? I'm out here doing deals and I want to help you do the same. All right. Go ahead and check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for the classes that we're holding this month. And just so you know, I also do coaching calls. You can do a call anytime with me for an hour, and we can rock out, and I can specify the needs to you and help you out in any way that you want to learn real estate and do real estate. It doesn't have to be a certain way that I'm teaching. I can specify a help for you and specify a plan for you so that you can get to the place where you need to get to just through a coaching call. So I have both of those. So check the links in the comments, check the links in the description so that you can go ahead and get started on your real estate investing journey. All right. I appreciate you guys for checking out this video today. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me and checking out this new investment property that I'm getting ready to pick up. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.